Today, we break ground on a new space dedicated to advancing and supporting the education of students in Saunders College of Business and at RIT. The shovels in the ground may be ceremonial today, but the impact of this new facility on the region, RIT, and our business students is undeniably real and significant.
Business at RIT incorporates technology and design and shows us what is possible when talent, skills, and an entrepreneurial mindset all come together. This expansion will allow for more interdisciplinary collaboration among Saunders students and faculty, elevating research, experiential education opportunities, and community engagement, all of which will drive creativity and innovation among the next generation of business leaders.
This definitely is a great day. I look forward to the future and to see what we can accomplish next. I just can't tell you how many students I talked to that just loved going here, what this school does. You got so many different type schools here that all intertwine, and then you throw a business degree or a sub-degree on top of it. You really have put together a hell of a student for the future.